Do you use bay leaves in your cooking? And have you considered how they may be improving your health? Hi and welcome to 3-Minute Health. Today we are going to look at the health benefits you can get by adding bay leaves to your diet. Bay leaves have been a popular addition to the flavor palette of the kitchen for thousands of years. Bay leaves are commonly used whole in a dish, usually added as part of the cooking process, and then taken out before the meal is served. Bay leaves can be a bit too tough and unpalatable to eat by themselves. For this video we are looking at the health benefits of the leaf from the Laurus Nobilis plant, also known as true bay leaves. We have 6 health benefits of bay leaves, and we haven't listed them in any particular order, but we have left links to further research in the description below, so you can look into the health benefits further. Benefit number 1, reduce inflammation. Bay leaves contain a phytonutrient, called parthenolide. In studies this has been shown to rapidly reduce inflammation when applied to affected areas. You can also get the anti-inflammatory benefits from making a tea from the leaves. Just be sure to break the leaves into smaller pieces to allow a better infusion. Number 2, aid digestive problems. In Asia, bay leaves have been used traditionally for hundreds of years to aid digestion. A 2019 study found that bay leaves could help give relief to problems like bloating, constipation, flatulence, gastrointestinal infections, and abdominal pain. They also contain diuretic properties to help with frequent urination. Number 3, reduce stress. Bay leaves contain a compound called linalool. Linalool has been shown to lower the effects of stress hormones on your body. Linalool can be found in several herbs, and when the essential oils are used in aromatherapy, can greatly reduce your stress levels. Number 4, heart disease. Bay leaves contain a compound called caffeic acid. This can help lower your body's LDL cholesterol. LDL cholesterol is bad for the body and can lead to cardiovascular problems. Bay leaves also contain another compound called rutin, which can help strengthen your heart capillary walls. Number 5, help respiratory conditions. The essential oils from bay leaves can be made into a vapor rub to help alleviate breathing difficulties. Bay leaves contain antibacterial properties, and spreading the vapor on your chest and inhaling it can have a decongestant effect. And number 6 is, help manage diabetes. Compounds found in bay leaves may be able to help improve the function of insulin receptors. For those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes or those who already have it, regular consumption of bay leaves could potentially help lower the risk of having a diabetic episode. Improving the function of the insulin receptor can help in managing your body's blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope you found it helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.